So find out whether there's any compliance and what the regulatory requirements are, because if you're not registered with the Care Quality Commission, for example, or the government that you want to license with, then, and part of that contract is that you're licensed, then there's no point in you going any further, because they would just close you down, for example. They won't use you. So you want to do thorough research. Why? Because it ensures that your proposal is aligned with the relevant laws, regulations, and the industry standards. So this could include, if you're in America, for example, legal frameworks such as HIPAA, which stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act in the United States. In the UK, we've got the Care Quality Commission, for example, but also we've got the insurance, where we have to have our employer's liability, public indemnity, professional indemnity, for example. And there's also the GDPR, which stands for General Data Protection Regulations. So another thing for you to consider is the buyer will want evidence-based approach. So this is where the healthcare is increasingly driven by evidence-based practices. So research allows providers, yourselves, to incorporate relevant data, studies, and outcomes into their proposals. Now, I've mentioned where it's okay for you to use a case study that you've seen that someone else has used and has gathered the information, for example, and it is being used by the councils or in the community, for example. So it's okay to use that as well. So you also want to look at the credibility, your credibility of the proposal, and also that it instills confidence in the potential client or partner.